One, two, three, four. USCI, United States Commodity Index Fund. That is tradable on Amex. Financial sector, just an ETF. I'm not quite sure what's in it. I didn't check. All I know is I got an alert and I said, Pat, you get an alert, you scoot over and you go check it out, guys. Top broke down. Let's check out the breakout line here. Back in the days, here's the breakout line. Arrow. Less greedy of targets. Remember, monthly candle chart. Broke down right here, and 2 months later hit. You're getting away from the 12-month moving average. Remember, you're always gonna try to pull back eventually. Sideways move. So that's one of the less scary ways of pulling back. Instead of a sharp pullback, just move sideways slowly, let the 12-month moving average catch up. Another opportunity to short right there. Broke down. 1, 2, 3. Down, down, down. And after that, you'd be out. You don't want to be in the stock when the 12-month moving average you're above it. You don't want necessarily to go long. Market has to chew up whatever support or resistance was created here. All these buyers that got trapped, and then try to go out, and that a lot of selling pressure. People they're using every rally possible to get out. Brings the price action back down. The buyers say no, that's too low. Bring it back up, and that's the churn up and down, testing those breakout lines. And right here, it actually broke out. Said, it's time to go out. Didn't quite make it out of the gates. 1, 2, and back in, defining some new, actually hitting some monthly defined support and resistance right here, guys. Right here got rejected, and now it's back down, guys, and it's back at testing that breakdown line. Implied measure move. Added to breakdown line. So if ever this closes below 38.25, then we have a measure move all the way down to 31.50 about. Down, stage 4, stage 1, which will decide to get back into a stage 4, guys. Let's zoom in on the weekly. What are we dealing with here? Stage 1, breakout stage 2. Back into stage 3. Price action below 30-moving average, trying to drag it down, but you have all that the Ichimoku cloud defined support, bring the price action back up. 30-moving average resisting. You got some price action above, but the weekly close below, and that, not the nail in the coffin, but a little sign that you're gonna try. The price action is gonna try to go for another go back down. Goes back down, and this time the support did not hold in the Ichimoku cloud. Broke down below, and then you're really out. So that's not the best entry right now. So for the weight of evidence, we're below the Ichimoku cloud, 30-moving average going downwards. Here, underperforming the SPX. You're not quite shorting there. Price action is going back down to test that monthly defined support. Here's where you could expect a bounce. And then you could enter here. If it's a pullback on contracting volume, all that hard selling, whoever's selling probably going to let go off the pedal a little bit maybe. And if ever this thing bounces, reinflates, if it's on contracting volume here, then it's short right here. You have the protection of the 30-moving average. You have the protection of that previous support now turn resistance. All these buyers that got trapped become sellers. They want to break even. And then you can make another go. So from here, for the 40 level, 41, You're going to make another go at that monthly defined breakdown line. That's if we don't break down line. So that's a part of fear of missing out. But if you have a plan, you never get trapped by that. It's not at the end of the world. I'm just looking at a usci, but there's tons of charts I look at. And there's some that you'll be able to catch right here. If I would have had an alert here, I could have probably wanted to short right there. And after that, on the pullback, add another position, and then continue down, guys. But right now, the goal is to identify, is it in the downtrend? Yes. Is it the optimal entry point? No. But a bounce back of this monthly defined breakdown line would give us a great risk reward entry right here. So that is pretty much how it's setting up for usci, guys. See all that noise here? False breakdown. Got to be careful with that. Right here. You could think, oh, stage 4 breakdown, Pat. Below the Ichimoku cloud. Right here. Really, really going down. Even that started breaking down right above here. And then you could have said here, well, this is the ultimate breakdown. But that monthly defined, you're starting to define that monthly defined support. Yeah, as if it's the first test of it. Yeah. You're starting to define it, bring it back up. So now we know we're hitting that monthly defined support right now. Whoa. All right, guys, usci. Consolidation pattern looking to break down at the by the bottom. We have it on the weekly. We have definite stage 4, but we might have a bounce back of that monthly defined support, giving us an entry point. All right, usci, keep it short. See ya. Ciao, guys.